Hello everyone. This is a video on how to set up ACH with ResaleWallet. In this video, we are going to walk you through the essential steps to successfully set up your ResaleWallet integration. This service is designed to streamline your payment processes, making it easier for you to manage transactions efficiently. To begin, you will need to contact our support team at 1-800-485-4800 in order to initiate the sign-up process. Once your account is created, our ResaleWallet team will schedule a setup date to activate your ACH services. During your scheduled setup with tech support, they will guide you through the activation of ACH payouts within your software. The first step involves navigating to the Setup menu and then selecting Options. From there, you will click on ResaleWallet and enter the API key and API secret provided by ResaleWallet. After entering the required information, simply click the OK button to save your settings. This step is crucial as it establishes the connection between your software and ResaleWallet. Next, we will focus on editing your ResaleWallet profile information. To do this, click on Setup. Navigate to ResaleWallet. Then, select Edit Profile Information. Here, you will fill in the necessary details in the Store, Owner/Officer, and User sections. Additionally, you can customize your profile by changing the logo to your store logo. This is the image that will show up as your watermark on your digital ACH payouts when emailed to your clients. Next, we have to set up the bank account that the deposits will be coming from. Click on Setup. Then click on ResaleWallet. Finally, click on Select Bank Accounts. Here, you will click the Add button to input your bank account details, including the account name, account number, routing number, and account type. For the payment account, click on the Add New button and then click OK. This step will initiate the verification process, where we will submit 2 microtransactions to your bank account, which will take 1 to 2 business days to appear. Now we are going to pretend that a day has gone by. In your case, once you see the 2 microtransactions in your bank account, it is time to verify your account. Return to Setup. Navigate to ResaleWallet and select Bank Accounts. Click the Verify button and input the amounts of the 2 microtransactions you received. After entering the correct amounts, click OK. If the amounts match, your account will be marked as verified. For your accounts to be able to receive ACH payouts through ResaleWallet, we will need to adjust some account fields. Begin by clicking on the Account List button and selecting the account you wish to send an ACH payout to. In the second account pane, locate the Payment Account field and select the ResaleWallet option from the drop-down menu. Next, fill in the Digital Payout ID field with the email address the consignor wishes to use for receiving their ACH payout. It is advisable to confirm this email with the consignor to ensure accuracy. You do not want to copy the consignor's primary account email to this field, as they may wish to receive their payment at another email. Some consignors may share their primary email with a family member, which may be why they have a separate email to receive payments. Congratulations! You are now ready to start processing ACH payouts with ResaleWallet. In the next video, we will go over how to send a single payout from an account. This was a video on how to set up ACH with ResaleWallet.